Assalamualaikum class. Today in this video lecture we will read the past continuous or progressive tense. In Urdu it is called Fail Mazi Jari. The past continuous tense is used for describing an action which was going on at some point in the past. Fail Mazi Jari ऐसे एक्शन को, ऐसे अमल को बयान करता है जो कि माजी में किसी जगह किसी मकाम पर जारी रहा था. उर्दू में पहचान. उर्दू के फ़िक्रे के आखिर में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आते हैं. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज़ द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. वी यूज़ वॉज एंड वर एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. रूल्स. We use was with singular nouns and pronouns I, he, she, it or any singular noun. हम was लगाते हैं I, he, she, it या अगर कोई भी सिंगल पर्सन है या कोई भी सिंगल चीज़ है then we will put was. And we use were with plural nouns and pronouns we, you, they or any plural noun. और फिर अगर एक से ज़्यादा अफराद हैं या एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं देन वी विल यूज़ वर विद वी, यू, दे और एनी प्लूरल नाउन. नंबर 3, वी यूज़ प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल ing form of verb. We use present participle mean first form of verb plus ing. This is present participle. What is formation? Subject, then helping verb plus present participle means first form of verb plus ing, then object and full stop. He was playing cricket. What is he? Subject. What is was? Helping verb. What is playing? First form plus ing, present participle. And cricket. What is cricket? Object. Question number 1. Use the past continuous tense of the verb drive in the following sentences. I was driving the car. We were driving the car. You were driving the car. They were driving the car. He was driving the car. She was driving the car. Ali and Sarah were driving the car. Translate the following sentences into English. These are affirmative sentences of past continuous tense. वो फल बेच रहा था. He was selling fruits. फातिमा दरवाज़ा खोल रही थी. फातिमा was opening the door. तुम फूल तोड़ रहे थे. You were plucking flower. I think now you will be able to solve remaining sentences by yourself. Then negative sentences. We use was not or were not after the subject and present participle form of verb. This is ing means first form plus ing. Formation. Subject plus was not or were not plus first form plus ing, then object and full stop. We were not playing cricket. Question number 1. Use was not or were not with the present participle of the verb drive in the following sentences. I was not driving the car. When you will put not with helping verb, was and were, it will become negative sentences in past continuous tense. You were not driving the car. They were not driving the car. He was not driving the car. She was not driving the car. Ali and Sarah were not driving the car. Then question number 2. Choose the correct option. He. Now you tell me, here the subject is singular. Which helping verb you use here? Was not or were not? He was not hanging the map. You were not hiding behind the door. We were not selling the fruit. I was not climbing on the tree. They were not listening to him. Now these are negative sentences from past continuous tense. Few of them I will solve for you and rest of the sentences you will solve by yourself. For example, मैं हॉकी नहीं खेल रहा था. I was not playing hockey. वो कुरान पाक की तलावत नहीं कर रहे थे. They were not reciting the Holy Quran. I think now you will be able to solve remaining sentences. Past continuous tense, interrogative sentences, सवालिया जुमले. Rules. We put was before the subject, I, he, she, it or any singular noun. अगर हमारे पास जो सब्जेक्ट है वो I, he, she, it या कोई भी singular noun है, then we will put was before or in the start of the sentence. And if there is plural noun like we, you, they or any other thing in plural sense, then you will put were in the start of the sentence. And same thing, first form plus ing, and as you know that this is interrogative sentence, so you will put question mark at the end of the sentence. Formation: was or were plus subject plus first form plus ing plus object and then question mark. Were you playing cricket? Question mark. Question number 1. Use was or were with the present participle of the verb drive in the following asking sentences. Few of them I will solve for you. Rest of the sentences you will solve by yourself. Was I driving the car? Were we driving the car? Were you driving the car? Now you will solve by yourself the remaining sentences. Question number 2. Turn these sentences of past continuous tense into interrogative by adding was or were. Now you will tell me which helping verb you will put in the first blank. The subject is singular. Was my mother cooking meal for me? Were the birds flying in the air? Was he carrying the bag? Were you watching match? Were they running in the park? Then these are some sentences from past continuous tense and these are interrogative sentences. For example, हम किताबें मेज़ पर रख रहे थे. क्या हम किताबें मेज़ पर रख रहे थे? क्या हम किताबें मेज़ पर रख रहे थे? Were we putting books on the table? Question mark. Then क्या घंटी बज रही थी? Was the bell ringing? Question mark. Then क्या मवेशी घास चर रहे थे? Were the cattle grazing? Question mark. Now this is your tense, past continuous. Stay tuned.